Cumbulonumbus cloud looked down upon the earth. Cumbulonumbus cloud thought about the earth first. Cumbulonumbus said, what a good potential image, yet look around to see all these things polluting me. How good this world could be if only these creatures would invest wisely. Cumbulonumbus went all around the world, learning all species and life's morals. Cumbulonumbus rained down when things did not seem to change, although there was creatures addressing these things of climate change. How could this be that these creatures are polluting me? I seem like a bigger anonymous being, but as I rain down in tears, the smaller creatures are my fears. Cumbulonumbus prayed that everyone will end climate change. Will it be you to make the difference right now? To take the time to have the solutions to figure out. Because if there is any time to change, that time is now. This is the heavens and I in Cumbulonumbus cloud. Once upon a time, there was a beetle that learned the beetle ways. Yet the beetle stumbled upon the ant ways and was amazed. They gathered the grains uniting, they built their ant hills, they marched and had incredible strength. Their underground tunnels had chambers to which had amazed. Yet the beetle seen the other beetles, always separate, not uniting, nor building a colony. So the beetle asked the other beetles if they would do what the ants had done. And the other beetles just laughed and made fun of the beetle. The other beetle said, we are not ants, we do not do what ants do. But the beetle wanted to evolve the beetle species, and thus had to seek out to find other beetles that believed in thine vision of divine. When other beetles was found, the beetles had turned out to be best friends, also with an ant that helped them to learn the ant ways. Then the other beetles became amazed, because the beetles surpassed the normal beetle ways and created underground tunnel systems and chambers and a huge beetle hill, and those other bully beetles just stumbled. The ones that once laughed at the beetle, now those beetles was amazed, because they learned and abided by the ant ways. They apologized for bullying and asked to join their beetle colony. And then the beetles evolved happily.